Why didn't you tell anyone about Lady?
Because I felt I let everybody down. Most of all, Mr. Conductor's family. They chose me to be Lady's driver.
Did Grandma love Lady as much as you do? Did you take a ride on her?
Grandma loved Lady because I loved her. But she never took a ride on her. I couldn't fix Lady in time. I wanted to take Tasha on our shining time.
On your shining time?
That wonderful journey when the wheels turn and the rails shine. It was always going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow, Lady would work again. Tomorrow, everything would be perfect. And then it was too late. And I shut out tomorrow.
Grandpa, don't shut out today, too.
Lily, Mr. Stone, I've got the coal.
Run, Lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous.
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone. Yes.
No, you won't, Boomer. Because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you. Come on, lady.
Okay, Burnett. The gloves are off.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.